The EMA 50 explicitly is as of now at $0.001 in an unobtrusive manner. The $0.000746995 support level for SPEL United States dollar essentially is areas of strength for truly, in every practical sense, is very critical. SPEL United States dollar basically is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690 in a by and large huge manner. Bears control SPEL's ongoing cost activities in an unobtrusive manner. 22 June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through fundamentally SPEL, kind of symbolic cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly. Basically got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What by and large is transient cost expectation for certainly SPEL token in a real sense is most certainly SPEL in an every practical sense. Why is interest in an essentially huge manner? SPEL sort of token help and opposition levels and so on, or so they by and large thought. However, prior to plunging commonly profound into the SPEL specialized examination, really let us fundamentally discuss the by and large current economic situations, which truly shows that SPEL United States dollar sort of is stood up to, with opposition level of R1 at $0.0009690, which generally is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,171,633,916,656 in a really significant manner. The essentially all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $45,387,585,410, which fundamentally is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that most certainly SPEL truly token help and opposition levels and so on, which truly is very huge, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, which certainly is very huge. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.14%. And at present exchanging at 50 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions generally show that the market in every practical sense is going in a really descending bearing for present moment, or so they especially thought. As of now, a truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely huge. SPEL pretty symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction, essentially are significant specialized pointers, used to explicitly recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path amazingly. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers for the most part become certainly more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of shows what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, which basically is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which vendors basically move especially dynamic and prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, showing how as of now, a really broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very large way. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of really SPEL truly token. SPEL, for the most part SPEL, sort of token execution, the cost of in every practical sense, SPEL certainly token, SPEL, for the most part is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the beyond 24 hours, and has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, which fundamentally shows that bears control spells by and large current cost activities in an all things considered significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how similarly opposition by and large is a level at which vendors in every practical sense become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and especially prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, exhibiting how as of now, a sort of broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. There truly are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in an especially significant manner. Spell truly token value examination for the most part spell cost investigation for 22 June 2023 inside a truly everyday time span commonly made sense of beneath in a genuinely large manner. We utilize kind of relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including really straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the spell token, genuinely further appearance how as of now, and in every practical sense, general kind of bad plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market. So moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an in every practical sense, significant way, while Spell's Williams %R pointer especially is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange certainly signal in every practical sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how there explicitly are practically 103,446,920,678 in a real sense are available for use out of 103,214,939,480 in a kind of significant manner. The spell United States dollar moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker, explicitly is demonstrating a present moment, truly sell extremely signal, as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath genuinely signal line which basically implies bears fundamentally are overwhelming on the lookout, which explicitly shows that similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors sort of become move in every practical sense, dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, exhibiting how right now, and